recipe. Morning guys, happy Sunday. It's Sunday early in the morning. It's bleaky, rainy, it's wet and messy outside, but in spite of all of that guys, we have to go on. We have to keep going. I have an appointment with the dogs. I have a little cleaning in the kitchen to do. I have laundry. I have a few things to do. Trader Joe run. I have to pick up a few things at Trader Joe. Guys, stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you. Alexa, YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
Right. Happy Sunday, guys. The dog's crying out to go to the vet. One of them, they need trimming, but not too much. During the winter time, we don't trim them too low because of the weather. But they need to brush teeth, cut nails. I saw the small ones, the nails, they grow long. And when they're long and they start to bend, you can stick them in their paws. So we know it's time to go and let them feel fresh and nice. Stay tuned, guys. I'm on my way to the groomers, and I have the doggy dogs with me, and I'm gonna drop them off. Usually take a couple hours. So maybe 4 or 5 hours. They have 11:30 appointment. I'm not gonna pick them up till maybe about 5 o'clock because it's 3 of them. Yeah. So I'm gonna drop them off and I'm gonna rush to Trader Joe's. I need to pick up a few stuff. I need a harness for one of the dogs, so I'm gonna stop by Burlington also. Everything is in the same range. Nothing is far from each other, so I'm gonna stop and pick up. Stay tuned, guys. Love ya. The weather is nice as well, guys. The weather not that bad. Come. Come guys, come, come.
So we shave the eye
The face and the butt area and the nails.
Okay, so we have 2 leashes and 2 doors.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave this for you. 'cause it'll
Okay.
get hairy.
Alright, thank you.
I'll see you
Alright.
a little later.
Yes, okay.
Let's go. Girls, I'll be waiting for you.
She said, come on girls, I was waiting for you. But we have a 10 o'clock, 11:30 appointment, so we're early. We're not late, so I don't know why she said, come on girls, we've been waiting for you. Oh Lord. These dogs. So I'm gonna make a quick run to Trader Joe. I'm not in the mood, to be honest. I am not in the mood for Trader Joe's today. I have too much to do at home. I just wanna go. I wanna go home and clean off a lot. But I need my coffee creamer. Oh, I'm gonna go home. I'm not gonna go. I changed my mind. I'm going home. I have too much to do. I'm gonna go home, get some cleaning done, and maybe when I pick up the dogs, I'll just run to Trader Joe's. And honestly, when you go this early, you get fresh stuff, but not in the mood. Need another cup of coffee to get cracking. I have a long work day. Guys, I want to say, honestly, I want to say thank you so much for the subscriptions. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. But guys, please like the videos, like the lives, and like the videos. Stay tuned guys, and have a wonderful day. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. I'm gonna be honest, there's nothing like being home, cleaning, cooking, meditating. A peaceful environment means so much for me. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and let's chat. Guys, have a wonderful day. Love you all. Stay tuned guys. Remember to comment in the comment section. Let's chat in the comment section guys. Is there anything on my channel that you don't approve of? Let's talk in the comment section. Let's meet right there. Guys, cooking a clean kitchen. Now the dogs are not here, I'm gonna clean their area. And, you know, and my second cup of coffee boosts me up a little bit. Yes, and I'm doing just that. What thoughts do you have about this channel guys? Let me know. Guys, my second cup of coffee. How did you enjoy the weekend? What did you do for the weekend? How your week went? Let me know in the comment section guys. Guys, I'm still here cleaning, moving around the Christmas stuff. I'm putting away stuff. I clear my dining table. I'm putting away all the decorations. I want New Year's to bring in. I want to bring in New Year's in this white, bright space. So that's what I'm having a little mimosa. Yes, it's Sunday. Relaxing Sunday. Cozy Sunday. Love it. Hello. I'm just making sure that they cut their nails because it was very long. Whenever they go, they get their little collar. Yeah, this is nice. Didn't want to cut them, guys, as I told you. It's winter. So, this is one of my baby. Nails cut, teeth brush. So, smells so good. Man, it is. So nice. I'm getting no sleep with that one here tonight. Yes, this is my girl. As they get older, they color change. Can't get rid of the color discolored on their face. Quiet and loving. I love them. Come on, nice video. So all of them get a color. Sugar don't know how to behave. This one, she's a beauty. So this one, come here, Amber. Come. Come here, come and tell them to not cook them. First time they ever groom and we don't cut them. They all big and sweet. Come here. Can't keep still. Hey girl. Hey girl. Hey girl. I know she thinks so. Amber overweight.